Let's say I have an app that was removed from my home screen, but it's still installed on my phone, and I can access it through the app library. This is an easy way to clean up your home screen and keep certain apps tucked away in the app library, but what if I want to bring this app back to my home screen? To move an app back to your home screen, we'll go to the app library and locate the app there. Tap the folders or simply use the search function that shows your apps in a list view. Then tap and hold an app and choose Add to Home Screen. This part can sometimes be confusing because the app doesn't always go where it used to be. Your phone will place it in the first available empty slot within your home screen pages, so in my case, I'll have to swipe back quite a bit to find the app that I just brought back. If you want to move it somewhere else, simply tap and hold the app until you see your app icons wiggle, and then continue to hold it while dragging the app into your preferred spot. And that is how we move apps back to the home screen. If your app was hidden in a way that it's not visible in the app library, you can move those back too. Just open the app library, tap the hidden folder, and authenticate with Face ID or passcode, and then tap and hold any app and choose Don't Require Face ID. This brings the app back to your regular app library, and from there you can tap and hold it to add it back to your home screen, just like I showed earlier. If your downloaded apps are not showing up on the home screen, but you can find them in the app library, we can change that. Go to Settings and scroll down to Home Screen and App Library. On the very top, change the setting for newly downloaded apps to Add to Home Screen. Now, every time you download an app, it'll be included on your home screen. Click that like button if this was helpful, and check out my iOS playlist for more simple guides like this. Thanks all, I'll see you in another video.